Hey guys, this is Tom Vaccaro doing a quick review of two styluses. The first is the Wacom Bamboo Stylus. Now this has your typical plushy tip. It does feel really nice. It's a little bit of a smaller knob than other ones. I'm going to go to Notability to show you. It does feel really good to write, so here, I'll write my name real quick. You could definitely tell that it is a plushy tip because you can't really feel exactly where you're writing. You know, usually you'll be able to just feel it, but you really have to watch. You can't really feel those small movements that you make with a stylus. Though it does feel like a pen, it feels nice. It feels light, but it feels balanced, which is nice. It also has this nifty little pen clip, which surprisingly not all of them have, which makes it a little nice and convenient to use. But it is a little tough to feel where you're writing, but since it has a smaller nub, it's really nice to use. And it doesn't take too much effort at all, actually, to get a writing. I know it's coincidentally when I do lightly tap it doesn't write, but you know, that's just how it goes. Now I'm going to show you the Adonit Jot Pro, which is more like a ballpoint tip actually. I'm going to screw off the cap right here just because it is a delicate tip. As you can see, it's kind of like a glass almost, so I'm going to start writing on here. And it's nice because, sorry, I'm on the eraser. It's nice because you could see actually where you're writing rather than the plush tip where you're not quite sure where it's connecting with it. The only thing is, every time you tap, it makes a loud noise. It's kind of annoying just for everyone around you, to be honest, but it is nice to write. I actually tried writing in class with this. I was doing organic chemistry, and to be honest, it was just very hard to keep up because she was going so fast and I was trying to write it, but since you don't look and you can't really feel like paper, you're not sure if your palm's hitting it and making a streak or if you're just writing all over the place. It's the only part that's hard about these styluses. But if you are in the market for a stylus, it does feel very nice, a ballpoint pen. It makes a loud noise and it kind of, I wouldn't say it completely scuffs up your screen, but it makes a little bit of marks, to be honest. Definitely doesn't scratch it or anything permanent like that, but it makes a little something, which I'm not quite sure about. And I hear that this tip is very delicate, and a lot of people break it, which is something to take into consideration too. To be honest, you could feel a little more with the ballpoint pen, but the plush tip of the bamboo stylus is also very nice. So that was my quick review of the Wacom Bamboo. So that was my quick review of the Wacom Bamboo Stylus and the Adonit Jot Pro. Both of them are pretty good styluses. It depends on your preference, obviously. The plush ballpoint tip, you can't quite tell where it's pressing down, but you also don't have to worry about it marking up your screen a little bit or making a noise, as with the Adonit Jot Pro. For any more reviews or videos, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys.